Want a 360 car camera that records every angle without missing important details? In this video, we review the 7 best 360 cameras for car protection, including 4K dash cams, parking surveillance, GPS tracking, and wide-angle recording features that drivers actually need. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best 360 camera for car. Let's get started. 1. IIWEY N5 4-channel dashcam 360-degree view. Looking for the best 360 camera for car security without spending too much money? The IIWEY N5 gives strong value for daily driving. It records the front, rear, cabin, left, and right sides together. That extra coverage helps during crashes, parking damage, or insurance claims. The 1080p video stays clear in daylight, while the 8 IR lights improve cabin recording at night. Faces and small details look easier to spot after dark. The camera also feels beginner-friendly. The 5G Wi-Fi feature lets you move videos to your phone fast through the app. You can watch clips without removing the SD card. Parking mode keeps an eye on your car while parked, which adds extra safety in busy areas. The included 128GB memory card is another nice bonus, since you can start recording right away. The price usually ranges between $120 and $170. Verdict: the IIWEY N5 is great for rideshare drivers, commuters, and families who want full car coverage without paying premium prices. Number 2. 360-degree dash cam front and rear view 4-channel dash camera. Some dash cams miss side angles. This one does not. The Zunfly 4-channel dash cam records the front, rear, inside cabin, and both side areas together. That helps a lot in traffic, parking lots, and tight streets. The front camera records in 2K, so road signs and plates look cleaner during the day. The wide-angle lenses also cover more space around the vehicle. Night driving feels better with this model. The IR lamps brighten the inside view, which helps drivers who work late hours. Built-in GPS tracks routes and speed, while the Wi-Fi app lets you save clips straight to your phone. You also get a free 64GB card inside the box, so setup takes only a few minutes. Parking mode adds another layer of safety because the camera keeps recording when the car stays parked outside. The price usually ranges between $96 and $120. Verdict: this dashcam is a smart option for drivers who want simple controls, strong night recording, and full car coverage at a mid-range price.
3. Neideso 360-degree dashcam front and rear inside. N300. The Neideso N300 feels like a full security system for your car. It records 4 views at the same time, so you can see what happens in front, behind, inside, and beside the vehicle. The front camera shoots in 2K, while the other cameras record in clear 1080p. Video quality looks smooth during daytime driving, even on busy roads with fast traffic. One feature many drivers enjoy is the voice control. You can save clips or take photos without touching the screen. That makes driving safer and easier. The Wi-Fi app also works well for checking videos on your phone. GPS tracking stores your speed and trip history, which may help after an accident. Night footage stays bright, too, because of the built-in infrared lights. The included 64GB card means you can install the camera and start recording right away. The price usually ranges between $129 and $145. Verdict: the Neideso N300 suits drivers who want hands-free controls, cleaner front video, and extra driving records for daily travel or long road trips. 4. ZMOPO 360 View 4-channel dashcam. Want a cleaner setup with strong coverage around your car? The ZMOPO 360 View dashcam keeps things simple while still giving 4-channel recording. It captures the front, rear, left, and right sides together. That helps during lane changes, parking accidents, and heavy traffic. The 160-degree wide-angle view also shows more road space than many basic dashcams. The built-in GPS tracks routes and speed, while the 5G Wi-Fi sends clips to your phone quickly. Video playback feels smooth through the app, even with larger files. At night, the WDR feature helps reduce glare from headlights and streetlights. The camera also uses a supercapacitor instead of a normal battery, which helps in hot or cold weather. A free 128GB card comes included, so storage space should not be a problem for most drivers. The price usually ranges between $109 and $130. Verdict: the ZMOPO dashcam is a good fit for drivers living in hot climates or busy cities who want stable performance and wide road coverage every day.
Number 5. FREEXAR 4K 360-degree dashcam. The FREEXAR 4K dashcam focuses on sharp video and full car coverage. It records the front, rear, left, and right sides at the same time. The 4K front camera captures road signs, license plates, and traffic details with better clarity than many standard dashcams. Another nice feature is the voice control system. You can lock videos or take snapshots while keeping both hands on the wheel. The app connection also feels quick because of the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi support. Moving clips to your phone takes less time, which many drivers will enjoy. Night recording looks bright too thanks to the built-in night vision support. Parking mode adds extra protection when your car sits outside overnight. FREEXAR also includes a free 128GB card, so you get plenty of storage from day one. The price usually ranges between $230 to $260. Verdict: the FREEXAR 4K model works best for drivers who care most about sharper video quality, faster app speed, and extra recording detail during day or night driving. Number 6. Vantrue N5S 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. The Vantrue N5S gives premium features for people who spend many hours on the road. It records 4 views together and uses Starvis 2 night vision sensors for cleaner footage after dark. Street signs, cars, and road lines are easier to see during rainy nights or low-light driving. The front camera records in 2.7K, which adds more detail than regular 1080p dashcams. This model also supports up to a 1 TB memory card, so it can store long trips without filling up fast. Voice control makes daily use easier because you can save clips without touching the screen. The buffered parking mode is another strong feature. It records before and after motion or impact, which helps during hit-and-run cases. Wi-Fi and dual GPS support are included too, giving better trip tracking and easier video sharing through the app. The price usually ranges between $400 and $500. Verdict: the Vantrue N5S is a strong match for truck drivers, road travelers, and drivers who want high-end night recording with larger storage support.
7. HUPEJOS V8 Plus 4-channel 360-degree dashcam. The HUPEJOS V8 Plus mixes sharp video with useful driving features in one small package. It records the front, rear, and inside areas together, helping drivers capture more of the road during daily trips. The front camera records in 4K UHD, so daytime footage looks crisp and clean. License plates and road signs stay easier to read even from a distance. Many people will enjoy the built-in voice control. You can save clips or turn the sound recording on and off without taking your hands off the wheel. The CPL filter also helps reduce glare from sunlight and bright headlights. That makes daytime video look clearer on sunny roads. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS work smoothly through the mobile app, making video playback simple and fast. The camera also includes WDR night vision support and a free 64GB card. The price usually ranges between $180 and $210. Verdict: the HUPEJOS V8 Plus is a smart pick for drivers who want cleaner daytime video, simple voice controls, and better glare reduction during long daytime drives.
Which 360-degree camera for a car should you buy? If you want the best value, the IIWEY N5 is a balanced pick for daily driving. The Zunfly model fits budget buyers who still want full coverage. The Neideso N300 if voice control matters most. The ZMOPO works well in hot weather and busy traffic areas. FREEXAR is great for sharper 4K video quality. The Vantrue N5S suits long-distance drivers who need premium night recording. The HUPEJOS V8 Plus is best for bright daytime video and glare control.